Following your advice on trying to have fun with others who study Jungbub, I noticed some contradictions within myself. I try to understand those people, but it's not that simple, and it prevents me from having fun. Master, please help me understand better. Thank you.
I didn't speak about spending time having fun with people. What I said was to enjoy listening to Jungbub lectures with others. The important thing is to have good conversations so that we can exchange energy, revitalize our strength together, and bring joy into our lives. Relating to someone with whom you don't have good conversations with will only bring difficulty, and your soul can be hurt. If this occurs, always speak respectfully, ask for distance, and propose to meet again after studying a bit more. If instead you try to deepen this relationship, not only will your soul become deeply hurt, but also you will get sick and it will be hard to recover. Fatigue is a sign of a soul that has been hurt over time, which creates diseased cells throughout the body. Therefore, in every relationship, understanding and constructive communication are absolutely essential. Know that the power of words is the greatest force in the universe. Words can kill or even give life back to a wounded soul. Now that you are aware of this, always use words for good.